Discussing the physics of sound. You know, what is sound? It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, it has acceleration, it has momentum. But Pathological, subliminal neuroinformation that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example. You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Let me hear that.
Just pull a Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Let's rejection. 1949. And at the end, I like to go cocaine on his back.
Is that just pull a Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I dropped you a deep bag.
It's chilly.
Chili. Dog. I call him Chili Dog. Yeah, I dropped some cocaine on his bag. This before it's over with. This is not a telephone. Not like. Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telephone. We don't need to tell each other anything.
On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Chili, sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog